police come to your home, they'll expect to be let in. From their tone and manner, they'll give the impression that you must open the door. Don't. Keep them outside. Otherwise, you could be signing your own search warrant, arrest warrant, and summons all at the same time. The police are so used to being given unrestricted access wherever they go, they quickly forget that they have limited powers of entry. A full list of these powers can be found under Section 17 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act. These powers of entry are to protect life and limb or to arrest someone for an indictable offence. Indictable means a serious offence where you have a right to a jury trial, such as theft, burglary and serious assault. This means if you refuse to open the door and the police know you're inside, they have the powers to break in. A summary offence, on the other hand, is a less serious offence where you can be tried at magistrates' court. Offences such as speeding, driving without insurance, dangerous driving, harassment, common assault and assaulting a police officer. The police do not have any powers of entry to arrest someone for this type of offence. If the police come to your door and you refuse to come out, they have no powers to force their way in. Nor do they have any powers to remain on your property. The moment you tell them to leave, they must go. Indictable offences have no time limit attached to them. Summary offences, however, have a 6-month time limit. This means, in principle, if you stayed safely inside your house for 6 months, the police would have no easy way to arrest you. This would leave them with 2 options: get a warrant from a magistrate, which is likely to be denied, or issue you with a summons. The police are unlikely to do either for one significant reason. They don't have enough evidence to prosecute, which is why, in all likelihood, they came to your home in the first place, in the hope you'd stand on your doorstep and self-incriminate, or allow them inside so they can question you and search your home without a warrant. The moment you invite the police into your home, they'll be gathering evidence. Everything they see will be noted. Could something in the house be stolen? Do children show signs of distress? Any signs of potential domestic abuse? What are these plants growing in the corner? What's behind that door? They will look for anything that might justify a reason for them being there. They might then invite themselves to have a further look around your house. They won't tell you they have no powers to search without consent. They'll just give you the impression it's their right. If you really can't resist the urge to speak with the police, then do so from behind a locked door or a closed window. Grab a camera. Record it. If you don't, the police will claim you invited them in or that something occurred that justified forced entry. Tell them that if they have no powers of entry or a warrant, they must leave. The police have no special implied right of access to your door. Asking questions, serving harassment notices, letters, memos, looking for witnesses, these are administrative matters which do not have any force of law. These are sales tactics. Treat the police like any other unwanted salesman. Tell them to get lost. Like any other doorstep hawker, the police will give up and go away if they can't find a customer. The police are not your guests. If they turn up uninvited, keep them outside. Record them. Ask them if they intend to arrest for an indictable offence or if they're rescuing life and limb. If they have a warrant, ask to see it. If they have no grounds to enter your property, tell them to leave. If they lie about their powers or make threats to enter your home by force without having the lawful authority to do so, then you can sue for assault and trespass. By all means, make a complaint. Bring a claim for compensation. But no matter what you do, never allow the police into your home. For advice and help on police matters, then please visit crimebudge.com, where you can find articles, resources and downloads to help protect you from them.